I got that on. I got that on video too.
On your knees now.
Get on your knees.
Hands behind your head. If you're doing drugs, no. My friend, he ain't my friend anymore. Stop. Don't say that. What is this? What is that? Heroin. What? This is heroin.
Heroin.
Drugs. That's not mine. Whose is it? That's my friend's truck. I don't drink. This ain't tricky stuff. This is heroin. Drugs. I don't smoke either. I don't do drugs.
Just sniff it up your nose. Retard.
What is this? You're under the age limit to smoke. How old
My
are you?
friend.
How old are you?
I'm only 21.
Hands behind your head!
Give me my license. Don't lock me out either.
Behind your head. Okay. Give me my license! Give me my iPod. It's your driver's license. Put it in your pocket now.
I'm going.
Hands in your pocket. Put it in your pocket now. Hands in your pocket.
Ow, your
Hands in your pocket now. Put the iPod in your pocket now. I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the cops. I am the cop. Put it in your pocket now. Sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. Put it in your pocket. Sit down somewhere.
Alex, you're retarded.
On your knees now. Hands behind your head. I'm gonna go to the courthouse later. See if this is really your truck or your friends. If I'm here, you're definitely going to jail. Let's go. Cops are there.